Hey everyone, welcome to another house tour. My name is Lester and today I'll show you around dito sa Calista and dito sa PHirst Park Homes, Calamba, Laguna. And tara, let's go inside. So before that, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel and so you'll see the future uploads. We do a lot of house tours so we can help you decide properly with your next home, and hopefully you can follow us on our social media and you can definitely subscribe to this channel. So let's go. Before we get inside, this is end unit, so it's a really good one kasi you'll have this end part, and usually yung mga end units has the bigger lot area, and this one is not an exception, so you can fit in another car or even two, or you can add extensions here in the future. So that's something you want to think about if you're buying a house, and definitely dito sa PHirst Park Homes is we have that option as well. And as an end unit, you'll have that flexibility. So let me show you inside. So this is a dress-up version ng ating model house. This is typical setup where you have, of course, your entertainment area, your dining area, your living area, and then of course small kitchen. This is toilet and bowl, and this is where you can have the extension and get access to whatever you decide to do on your extension. I've seen houses na talagang added a room maybe, or even a parking, diba? It's a lot of space. You can arrange it whatever you want. This is just a sample setup, but definitely this is a really good one. Let's go to the second floor. Let me show you around sa ating second floor. They chose to put wallpaper to add texture and design dito sa ating stairs area. Pero I'll give you an idea of what you can do sa ating second floor. Of course, it's a 2-bedroom setup. This is the master's bedroom, and this could be another one for your kid or for a guest, another family member. This example, make it very light. We have 2 windows here, and then this looks like art themed room with the paint brushes and the actual paints depending on your kid's personality. In this area, you can fit in pretty decent size drawer for your clothes, for your all kind of things. You can even extend that up here para talagang maximize. But this one, you can have hangers para sa mas malalaking damit. And then this area, of course, is your master's bedroom. 2 windows din siya, and it's not the biggest, but I mean it should be good enough, especially if you got the extensions right here, even here, and all of these houses you can get that extension in the future. And this is your storage area. If you wanted to change that into maybe a table, then that should be good enough space pa rin. This is an end unit, as I've mentioned, so talagang the biggest draw for these kinds of models is what you can do on the extension. But if you're interested with this property, you can definitely check out the description box below. You'll see our contact information there. Don't be hesitant to get in touch. We also have a link for a form there. You can fill that out so we can get your information and we can get back to you and help you find the best property for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video. Malay nyo, we can help you find your next home. Again, my name is Lester and thank you for watching. See you sa ating next house tour. Bye-bye.